The world of science. Play for the day, learn for a lifetime. Glasgow Science Centre. Are you fascinated by how the world works? The Glasgow Science Centre, GSC, is the ideal place to learn about the wonders of science. Located next to the River Clyde in Glasgow, Scotland, the GSC opened in 2001. It now has 3 buildings on the site and is one of Scotland's main tourist attractions. The Science Mall is the most popular building, and there are over 250 exhibits inside. On the first floor, there is a planetarium where visitors can explore the universe we live in and take an unforgettable journey to the outermost limits of space. The second floor introduces you to careers in science, and you can take part in experiments which demonstrate basic science in the lab. The third floor is dedicated to biology. Here, visitors can learn how the human body works by becoming both the experiment and the scientist. There are interactive exhibits to test your reactions, balance, energy levels, memory, and much more. The GSC is open every day between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. in summer, but it's closed on Mondays and Tuesdays in wintertime. If you're in Glasgow, don't miss this educational day out that's fun for all the family. Evericum. Another great place for the whole family to learn about science is Evericum. It's part of Megapark, a giant shopping mall which opened in Almaty, Kazakhstan in 2017. It's a wonderland where people can explore the world of physics, chemistry, and optical illusions. Go on a fascinating journey of discovery through special rooms designed to confuse your senses and trick your mind. Hang from the ceiling in the gravity room, find your way through the mirror maze, and try to stay on your feet in the rotating tunnel. Don't miss the science shows, where scientists explain chemical reactions and then let you conduct your own experiments. Evericum is open from Monday to Sunday throughout the year, from 10 in the morning until 9 at night. All the wonders of physics and chemistry are on display here. It's a unique opportunity to interact with the incredible world of science firsthand.